एंड अगर ऐसा होता ना कि दूसरे लोग कह रहे हैं द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दी आई कॉल दी दैट आई रियलाइज लेटर यू नो लाइक ओ दैट्स व्हाट शी वाज डूइंग बिकॉज देन पीपल आल्सो व्यूइंग यू लाइक दैट राइट.
और जो एक्सटर्नल नॉइसेस होती हैं जैसे आपकी बहन मतलब फॉर दोज हु डोंट नो मृणाल ठाकुर इज योर एल्डर सिस्टर बट एक्सटर्नल नॉइसेस भी होते हैं. बहुत लोग जैसे आप तो कह रहे हो आपने खुद ही से यू रियलाइज कि मुझे करना है बट एक एक्सटर्नल नॉइसेस की भी बहुत लोग होते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि नो यू शुड डू एक्टिंग क्योंकि ऑलरेडी देयर इज समवन तो फिर इट विल बिकम ईदर इजी फॉर यू और शायद ये एक ऑर्गेनिक पाथ होगा.
Okay.
बट मृणाल की एडवाइस क्या रही when you told her?
No, see, it was never like, you know, like the people told me like you have to do this or that. And अगर ऐसा होता ना कि दूसरे लोग कह रहे हैं, so I don't think so a person can be in the good mindset if that's the case.
Yes.
I do this because I love it.
Yeah.
Right. If I'm learning something new, nobody has to tell me that. I am so curious and I just love the process so much that I do it.
Yeah.
And then yeah, look, even the best thing about I call her is like she's always let me find my own process.
Yeah.
That I realized later, you know, it's like, oh, that's what she was doing by not letting me like and acting. I think it can't be taught like that. You just like give someone a solution and a set of paper that this is it. I think the journey in finding yourself and you know being comfortable with yourself, like. I remember I used to straighten my hair first. This is a simple thing, you know?
Yeah.
And then as I started realizing, hey dude, like, God is giving me such beautiful wavy hair. I just need to embrace it. Yeah. And you know, once you start realizing that things around you starts changing, because then people also viewing you like that, right? Oh, like.
बिल्कुल बहुत लोग से मैंने भी सुना है कि आपकी खुद की आइडेंटिटी जो होगी वही it will become your USP.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. And how does a normal day in the Thakur household look like?
Normal day.
जब आप उठते हो.
Busy यार हम actors दोनों तो मतलब working out then reading something because it's very important I feel to consume a lot and you can just watch anything, not just movies. Of course we watch movies, but then documentaries, read a book, read poetries, and then ask. Acha, what are you reading? Sir, you watch this, you tell me about this. So that's there.
Hi, I'm Dhaval Thakur.
Hi, this is Sanchita.
And you are watching us on
Mamarazzi.
Mamarazzi. Please.
And do subscribe, comment, and like.
And bell button. Notification, bell icon. Yes.
Yeah.